Oh, hey everybody, it's Chris. You caught me sleeping in the studio. Well, today we're going to continue talking about drawing the eyes, and specifically because Tamur Al-Husban called in and asked about expressions. So I'm going to talk about how the eyebrows affect expressions, not the mouth, but just the eyebrows and the eyes. All right, so let's get started. Okay, now let's finish up with expressions in the eyes. Basically, the eyes almost have nothing to do with the expression. It's all in the brow, the eyebrows, and the position of the eyebrows. That's where the magic happens. So if we look at the top one, it's happy. The brows are way up. There's a lot of space between the eye and the brow. The frontalis muscles are scrunching up the skin this way and up. So you get the furrows right here. Brows are slanting, tilting up. And the eyes are slightly scrunched down, slightly squinting. When people are happy or friendly or warm, kind of a warm feeling comes from this. The eyes, lower lid, upper lid are coming together. You don't see all of the iris. It's more covered, because also what's happening is the cheeks are moving up, because usually you're smiling when you're happy, and that forces the cheeks up, and that scrunches up against the lower lid, and that covers the bottom part of the eye. Okay, let's move to angry, fierce. This is just the opposite of the happy one. The brows come way down, almost, and you can just connect it to the top lid of the eye. Just connect them right in there. Get those eyebrows really low, and that looks angry. Also, the corrugator muscles and the procerus, those are heavily furrowed. There's a lot of wrinkles as the skin moves over the muscles there, and right in the nose, you've got that. To me, it looks like a lion, a tiger, when it growls. They get that kind of wrinkling of the top of the nose skin. And the eyes, of course, very narrow. You're not seeing a lot of the eyeball or a lot of the iris. That one's pretty cool, pretty easy. And then the last one, scared. Again, kind of like happy, the eyebrows are way up this time, a little more angled than in the happy one. And you see the whites of the eyes. This is really the only expression that you're going to see, the whites of the eyes. It's important you see the whites of the eyes to make it look scared. And you see the full orb of the iris there. And white all the way around. And you'll have furrows up here as the skin is pushed up and away towards the top of the head. And so that's for a scared, surprised look, and the emotion is just fear, straight up fear. And there's one more, and that could be, try to draw this really easy. It's just like, almost like a quizzical look or a sarcastic look. Like, what? One eyebrow down, one eyebrow up. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that is the final one. That is it. Okay, everybody, that was a quick one. I hope you enjoyed this video, that it helped you. Remember to smash that like button. Subscribe if you already haven't. Put your comments in the dialog box below about what helped you, whatever. And we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh.